broom. Let's close all of the tabs. Let's open the dust pile. So this will be elements. Dust pile. Namespace. Sayonara. Gameplay elements. So actually, we'll put the Boolean is being cleaned here. Which will expose as a property. Public pool is cleaned. And then we will say public void start cleaning. We'll actually call this the clean. Actually, no, we'll leave it as magic broom interaction handler. Like that. We're going to need an interface here called public interface iCleanable. Actually, since it's the broom, we'll call it iSweepable. Interface. No, it is an interface. This file implements iSweepable, and we say is being cleaned equals to. Actually, we can actually change this back to is being swept, and this is being swept. And actually, we're going to make that part of the interface. Public bool is being swept. Get public. Start sweeping. So magic broom require components type of iSweepable. Private iSweepable. And awake. Say sweepable. Say if the sweepable is being swept, do that. Otherwise, is sweepable dot is sweepable dot start cleaning. Actually, start sweeping. We can delete this. Oh, come on. So, double void update. Okay. Which is I sweep goal to sweep target. This. Copy this. Rid of that. We don't need this. Moving this over here. Get rid of that. That. Disallow. Can I do that on the interface? I don't think so. No, it has to be a class. That's fine. Just false. Actually, let's just call this health and call it an int. And we don't need to do this. We'll call public void reduce int amount. Active, and we will call this header gameplay serialized field private int strength sweep one or strength. Let's call it strength. Okay. So after we play the sweep, we'll say if the sweep target, we will reduce. Because this needs to be part of the sweepable. Void reduce by an amount. So when we reduce the scale of the decimal this game object by oh my goodness, by the I cannot type. However, it needs to be we need a current health. So this is 2. We'll call this max health, and we will have a private int current health. Oh, thank you for rating. 34 raters. Holy crap. Welcome, welcome. Welcome, everybody. My name's Dayanara. I am a game dev hobbyist. Hello. Hello. Wow. Thank you so much. Let me give you a shout out. Thank you so much. So what were you doing? Yes, my mic needs a little work. I haven't had time to fix it, so I apologize. It does have some weird noise canceling that I haven't been able to fix. So what brings you to the stream? What were you doing before? And I'll explain a little bit about what I'm working on here. I'm participating in a game jam from Another content creator, Lana Lux, who does game development on Twitch as her job. Trying to spread my raids out and hadn't raided you before. Oh, well, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. What were you doing? What were you doing before you decided to raid? So you are game dev as well. Fist of the Forgotten. Is that something on Steam, or it's not? Is it not on Steam or itch.io or something that you can post a link to? Nice. Oh, very cool. Please post a link. I'll go wishlist it right now. That's okay. What's the name of it? Fist of something? What did you say? Fist of the Forgotten? I will also download the demo and take a look at it when I get a chance. So yes, I'm participating in a game jam. I will link the game jam. It's almost over. There's only a couple more days left. So this is the game jam. It started last Sunday. And it really didn't have a theme. It was more just like to have some fun, very low key, do some stuff with the community. I don't. I have an NVIDIA card. So, I will definitely check it out. But we're just a cozy jam. So the game I'm working on right now, I'm a programmer, I'm not an artist, so I am using assets I've purchased. But I'm making a game where you are a... so the idea is that it's a dungeon, and heroes have already gone through and cleared out the dungeon. You've purchased the dungeon, and now you're going to renovate it. So you're cleaning up all the dead bodies, you're cleaning up all the broken furniture, replacing all the empty loot containers. And that it's kind of like, think of it like a house flipper type game, but like a dungeon, like a dungeon from an RPG, and that's like the goal of the game. So I'm running out of time. In fact, I'm pushing myself right now, but the game is due on the Sunday at 6. I have some of the gameplay down. I don't have all the features that I want, but we just went through implementing some inventory stuff. Some tools that the player is going to have access to. Yeah, yes, very true. And we're working on this cool thing. So originally, I had this idea that you had tools. So let me launch here. Apologize for the loud sounds. I haven't gone through it. So the idea is you have this. Tools. So you have an axe to break stuff down. There's going to be a hammer to actually build things. The broom, the pickaxe, which will like break for stone for like building stuff, and a spell book. And the spell book will help you do things like get rid of dead bodies and stuff like that. Because originally I had it where you could pick up the bodies, but the physics is really weird, and it also makes the bodies disappear and go below the ground sometimes. So I'm thinking about just getting rid of the idea of picking up the rigid body and replacing it with like a spell. You just drop down and it like will delete the body. But so we have our axe, and we can break stuff. So we have this working. Okay, and then there's the wood you can pick up, which is going into an inventory, but I haven't. Oh, well, thank you very much for hanging out. So it goes into an inventory, but I haven't done the inventory screen yet. And then I was working on the dust pile. So if you have the broom equipped, the idea is you can interact with this, which I can get working. But the idea is originally I was going to just have it where you hit the dust pile to make it go away. But yes, it would be difficult. I had it working and then I broke it. But the idea is you would put the broom there and it would magically animate and sweep away the dust, which is what I'm working on right now. So the idea, that's why there's no reference. What doesn't it look? Cooldown timer. Oh, because I never initialized it. Oh wait, but we don't need the cooldown. Do we need the cooldown timer? We don't need the cooldown timer anymore. Because that's being handled by the broom. We don't need that anymore. So, yes, because the broom, spawning the broom will actually sweep and reduce the dust pile as it goes, and then eventually when the dust pile's done, it will set this active. Now I need to tell the broom to go away after that. So actually, you know what? I'm going to delete destroy the object. And then I'm doing this like, I'm at the point where I'm doing like quick and dirty stuff that I normally wouldn't do, but I need to finish this by Sunday, so. So now the dust pile. So I guess I could just, just to make this work, I'm going to save a reference, magic broom, to the broom I spawned. And then destroy it. Let's see if this works. And then I do need an awake, private, void. Let's do it on enable. We'll do it on awake. We'll do it on start, I think. Would be better. Awake, whatever. So what do you, oh, you need to grab some food. Yes. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate the raid. That was really nice of you. Thank you so much. Jitspo. Actually, let me drop him a follow too. Or them a follow, I should say. First World Penguins. Thank you for the follow. Interface BE and all these folks. Eva Sarah 5, CLSR, they left unfortunately. But I really appreciate it. Love crafty and retro FPS. Very cool. I'm definitely gonna have to check it out. It sounds very cool. Oh, interesting. Or maybe you're just obsessed with Path of Exile. Let's get the broom out. There we go. Actually shrinking the broom, which is not intended. Which is also hilarious that it's shrinking the broom. So I think the problem is because I am setting it as the parent because I was trying to fix the thing. So I don't think I need to do that anymore. And then we're going to use one more sound. Private events for complete cleanup sound. And we will audio service play sound. Avisara, C5, and I couldn't remember whether or not I told an academic counselor about Jitspo's awesome Fist game. That is an admission. Didn't remember in my head why I am second guessing myself. Something wrong with me, like Fista forgot. I don't understand. You're saying you were telling your admissions academic counselor about the game that Jitspo was working on? Sound.